Hey everyone, my name's Simon, and today I'm going to be talking about Hire Me Please. So when you're applying to jobs, you often have to strike a balance between customizing your application to a specific job or company and applying to as many places as possible. But with Hire Me Please, you can actually get the best of both worlds here. So we combine user context with LinkedIn profiles and job-specific context through the GPT API connected to the internet through Metaphor to create customized applications in just a few seconds. So let's check it out in action. Here's our website, hiremeplease.us. We can add a LinkedIn URL and then the company that we want to generate our cover letter for. And the results are going to be better the more stuff that you have filled in on your LinkedIn profile. So we can see that immediately we're generating a personalized cover letter that is supercharged with context, detailed context about me through my LinkedIn profile and about the role that I'm applying to through the Metaphor API on top of ChatGPT. And so to make all this work, we have a React front end and then a Dockerized API on the back end that we're using on Google Run, so we can scale this up and down as much as we want. It was super easy to work with and very fun to deploy. And you guys can check out the site yourself if you want and play around, generate some cover letters for your next applications. We also use the ChatGPT API to actually generate the cover letters, and we use the Metaphor neural search engine to get information about the roles and companies that you are applying to. And then we collaborated to make this project on GitHub, so feel free to check out the code there. Our repo is public. And then in the future, we want to have not only cover letters, but cold emails, so we just need to write some prompts for that. And then we also want to have a field where you can upload the link to the job that you're applying to provide even more context for these cover letters and cold emails. And then we also want to have a metric for how organic your generated cover letter sounds, so that you will have some way of seeing how likely it is that an employer is able to tell that you're using generative AI in your application. And that way you can make an assessment on whether that is a consideration you need to make before applying. So yeah, thanks for watching and feel free to check out our little website.